Hello everyone, today I will be analyzing the possible plastic surgery procedures of the members of Niziu. This was requested in the comment section of my Momoland plastic surgery analysis video. If you have any requests which group you want to see me analyze, please leave it in the comments. I think plastic surgery is neither bad or good, as celebrities has immense pressure to look as good as they possibly can, which can be helped by plastic surgery. I think it will be a healthier environment if celebrities in general are more open and honest about plastic surgery and cosmetic procedures that they've done, or at least not lie about it, so the general public can see that beauty is attainable through plastic surgery. I know there's a stigma around plastic surgery all around the world, but people need to realize that it's pretty common among celebrities, as it's demanded by society that celebrities look perfect, so we shouldn't blame them if they resort to plastic surgery. I want this video series to be a form of discussion between people who are interested in the possible procedures celebrities had, and break the negative sentiment around plastic surgery. I assume that many celebrities, including K-pop idols, have done some sort of cosmetic procedures because their occupation demands them to look as good as they possibly can. I may be totally wrong about this assumption, as I don't know what goes on behind the scenes. A few disclaimers before we begin. I'm not a plastic surgeon, nor have I gotten plastic surgery, so my knowledge in this area is limited. These are just my speculations and not facts. I have no idea about the member's medical history, and these are just my speculations, so you can respectfully disagree. This post is not meant to send hate to the members, as they are probably pressured by the industry to look as good as they possibly can. With that out of the way, let's get started. Starting with Mako. Mako has a lot of adorable pre-debut photos online. She has always been pretty. I don't think I see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Mako is likely natural. She has always had a beautiful smile. She's truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Rio. Rio didn't seem to change much compared to the pre-debut photos. Her eyelids look higher now, but I believe her eyelids are likely natural as they are shallow and her eyelid crease isn't clean cut when her eyes are not fully open. This change was probably caused by training her eyelids using eyelid tape. In conclusion, I think Rio is likely natural. I love how she didn't feel pressure to go under the knife to make her nose fit the beauty standard more. I guess Japanese groups have less strict beauty standards compared to Korean groups, which is really refreshing to see. Moving on to Maya. Maya has always had an adorable face. She didn't look to change much from the pre-debut photos. I also don't see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Maya is likely natural. She's truly blessed with good looks. It seems like Japanese groups tend to focus more on youthful looking faces compared to faces that meet a certain strict criteria of beauty standards. Moving on to Riku. Riku has always had big eyes and upturned lip corners, which makes her look adorable and youthful. I don't think I see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Riku is likely natural. I love her big smile. She's truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Ayaka. Ayaka has adorable pre-debut photos online. Her eyelids seem to be higher compared to the pre-debut photos. She may have gotten double eyelid surgery to achieve this look. I think this way because when her eyes are not fully open, her eyelid crease seem to be pretty deep and consistent. Though I think it's also possible that she just strains her eyelids using eyelid tape. I'm not too sure about this, so I will put double eyelid surgery as a possibility. Ayaka's nose looks slightly slimmer now, especially at the tip of her nose. She may have gotten a rhinoplasty. In conclusion, I think Ayaka likely got a rhinoplasty and possibly double eyelid surgery. I think the possible procedures were really well done and enhanced her beauty in the best way possible. She has always been pretty regardless. Moving on to Mayuka. Mayuka has always had horizontally large eyes. She has always had inconsistent eyelid folds, which I think are probably natural. She likely trains her eyelids using eyelid tape to make her eyelids more consistent. Her lower cheeks seem to have lost some volume. She may have gotten partial buccal fat removal to achieve this look. I think this way because most people will fully lose their baby fat when they're close to their 30s, while Mayuka is still really young and has lost a significant volume on her buccal fat area. In conclusion, I think Mayuka likely got partial buccal fat removal. I think the possible procedure was really well done. She still has volume on her cheeks, which keeps the youthfulness of her appearance. Moving on to Rima, the pre photos of Rima I found are blurry, so I might miss some procedures. Rima looks mixed race, which is why her features are pretty different from the other members so far. Originally, I suspected that she did something to her nose, but her nose is probably natural, as it didn't seem to change from the pre-debut photos. I don't think I see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Rima is likely natural. She has always been pretty. She's truly blessed with good looks. Moving on to Miihi. Miihi didn't seem to change much from her pre-debut photos. She has always been adorable. I personally don't see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. The only change to her face that I noticed are her teeth that became more straight. In conclusion, I think Mihi is likely natural. She's truly blessed with good looks. I like her uneven teeth, but she also looks great with straight teeth, and it's probably more convenient for her too. Last but not least, we have Nina. Judging from her name, it seems like Nina is mixed race. This is why she has such an incredible eye color. I don't think I see changes to her face that are likely due to plastic surgery. In conclusion, I think Nina is likely natural. She has always been pretty. I love her eye color. She's truly blessed with good looks. Remember, when I do these analyses, I'm always at a neutral position. I don't think plastic surgery is bad nor good, so let's not spread unnecessary hate towards the members or my opinions. I hope anyone watching this takes this post in a positive way and realize that plastic surgery is not a bad thing. You need to understand that K-pop idols and other celebrities have a lot of pressure to look good, so it's not a bad thing if they resort to plastic surgery, as it is demanded by society. As I stated in the beginning, this is not meant for fuel to send hate towards the members. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.